Every scoop of ice cream begins here. Fresh milk arrives chilled and protected, entering the process under strict control.
Temperature control begins immediately. Milk must remain cold to preserve freshness and safety.
Before processing, milk is visually inspected for purity and consistency. Filtration removes physical impurities while preserving the milk's natural structure.
Milk moves through multiple filtration stages, removing physical impurities while maintaining its natural quality.
Precise flow control ensures uniform processing before milk enters holding tanks. After filtration, milk is transferred into holding tanks, remaining cold and protected.
Gentle agitation prevents natural separation while preserving milk structure. Sanitary valves guide milk safely through each step of the process. Inside sealed tanks, milk rests under ideal conditions, untouched by the outside environment.
Before mixing begins, milk is held briefly to ensure stability and consistency. With preparation complete, milk moves forward to combine with other ingredients.
Before mixing begins, each ingredient is prepared with precision. Only specific components are allowed into the process.
Milk enters the mixing tank first, forming the base of the ice cream. Cream adds richness and texture, carefully measured and introduced.
Sweetness is carefully controlled, beginning with precise sugar preparation.
Sugar dissolves into the mixture, balancing flavor and structure.
Stabilizers help control texture and consistency during freezing.
Added slowly, stabilizers integrate evenly into the base. Mechanical mixing begins, combining all ingredients into a uniform base. Consistency is monitored closely before moving forward. Once mixed, the ice cream base moves into the pasteurization system, where safety becomes the priority.
The mixture is gradually heated to 85 degrees Celsius, eliminating harmful microorganisms.
Holding the mixture at temperature ensures thorough pasteurization.
After heat treatment, the base is prepared for structural refinement.
Homogenization creates a smooth, stable structure by evenly distributing fat particles.
Now safe and refined, the ice cream base moves on to cooling.
A second homogenization pass further refines texture, improving stability and mouthfeel.
Pressure is stabilized to protect structure before temperature reduction.
Heat energy is recovered efficiently as the mixture begins cooling. Sanitary isolation protects the base as it exits the heat-treated zone.
After treatment, the base is visually checked for uniformity and flow. With safety assured and structure refined, the base moves forward to cooling and aging. After heat treatment, the base is rapidly cooled to protect quality and structure. Rapid cooling prevents bacterial growth and preserves freshness.
Once cooled, the base is stabilized at 4 degrees Celsius.
The cooled base is transferred into aging tanks under chilled conditions. Aging allows proteins and stabilizers to fully hydrate. Gentle movement ensures uniform aging without disruption. Time allows flavor and texture to fully develop. With aging complete, the base is ready for flavor. With the base fully aged, flavoring begins under controlled conditions.
Flavor components are prepared precisely before introduction.
Flavor is introduced evenly to ensure consistency throughout the batch. Gentle blending distributes flavor without altering texture.
When required, color is prepared separately for precise control.
Color is added carefully to maintain visual consistency.
Uniform flavor and color are confirmed before freezing.
With flavor complete, the base moves on to freezing. Freezing begins as the flavored base enters a carefully controlled cold environment. The base is loaded into batch freezers designed for controlled freezing.
Mechanical freezing transforms the liquid base into ice cream.
Carefully controlled air creates the ice cream's final structure.
Texture develops as ice crystals remain small and evenly distributed. Consistency is monitored continuously during freezing. The ice cream reaches its final frozen structure. Once frozen, the ice cream is ready for extraction.
The finished ice cream exits the freezer, ready for packaging.
With freezing complete, the ice cream moves on to packaging.
To ensure peak freshness, the packaging area is maintained below freezing, a critical step in our cold chain process.
Containers are prepared and aligned before filling begins. Frozen ice cream is dispensed evenly into each container.
Portion control ensures consistency across every unit.
Surfaces are smoothed for uniform appearance. Containers are sealed to protect freshness.
Capillums. Cone products are shaped and finished before packing.
Each package is visually checked before leaving the line.
Once packaged, ice cream is kept frozen without interruption.
Packaging is complete. The product remains frozen and protected.
After packaging, ice cream enters deep cold storage, held at -18 degrees Celsius.
Products are organized carefully to maintain airflow and consistent freezing.
Stable temperatures protect texture and flavor until distribution.
When needed, products are prepared for distribution without breaking the cold chain.
Frozen products are loaded into refrigerated transport for delivery.
The cold chain is secured before transport begins.
From storage, ice cream begins its journey to retailers. The final destination awaits. The frozen journey continues as ice cream arrives at the retail environment. Maintaining temperature is essential, even at the retail level. Ice cream is stocked carefully to remain frozen and accessible.
Retail freezers maintain the same cold conditions as storage and transport.
At the end of a long process, the product waits, unchanged.
From farm to freezer, every step leads here.
After a long journey, the product reaches the consumer, unchanged, protected, and ready.
Every detail, every step, every safeguard, built into a single bite.